friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to upload videos to Canva. So what you want to do once you're inside Canva and you start a new project or whatever it might be, I'm gonna choose something existing here. So let me go ahead and just choose, for example, this PDF document, right? But this could be whatever you want to create. Once you're inside Canva, in your canvas, you can easily upload videos or pictures. So I'm going to show you how to quickly upload a video. So once you're inside the canvas, you want to look to the left hand side and click on uploads. And once you're here, you want to go to the tab that you want to choose. So if you want to upload a video, you can simply click on videos. If you want to click on audio, you click on audio. If you want to click on image, you click on images. Now simple click on the video section, and here you want to find the video file that you want. You can go ahead and find the file from your file explorer. You can simply go ahead and find the video file that you want to upload to Canva. So this could be wherever it is. And once you find that video file, all you have to do is just simple drag that file into the upload section here of Canva, and you will see it start to load that video file under the upload section. You can also upload files by clicking this blue button here as well. Upload files is going to open up your file explorer and you can find it as well. And that's it. Once you go ahead and find that file, just simply click and open, and it's going to upload that video file for you, and you can use this wherever you want. Let me just go ahead and show you. If I even click a new page, I can drag this video and I can put it onto this new page here, and the video will
Hey guys, Andrew
actually
here, and
play
in this
as you can see that.